I seriously do not remember my life before drawing letters. Even as a little kid, I was fascinated by how many ways you could draw the same letter in different styles. I distinctly remember one kindergarten project where we each drew every letter of the alphabet and then transformed each one into something else. An animal, an object. I was completely smitten. It was like each letter had its own little world of possibilities. By third grade, I was already all in. I remember feeling like I had to make a very important life decision. Was I going to be the kind of person who wrote my lowercase a this way or this way? Because clearly this was crucial information about my personality. But all kidding aside, I've loved letters ever since. Over the years, I tried my hand at calligraphy, aiming for that perfect look. But eventually, I realized that striving for perfect was not bringing me joy. So instead, I made lettering my own. I filled my kids' scrapbooks, explored digital typography, and eventually co-owned a printing shop where letter forms were part of every piece we created. When my life finally slowed down, I returned to my own creative passions and picked up art journaling. I discovered that no page ever felt quite complete without a word or a quote. After all, who doesn't love a good quote? So I did what felt right. I added words and phrases to everything. But this time, instead of aiming for perfection, I embraced imperfection. And you know what? I think that's when the magic really happened. Letting go of perfect gave me freedom, and I found that my imperfect letters felt more alive. And that's exactly what I want for you in this course. A journey into perfectly imperfect hand lettering, where you get to create with freedom and joy. I'll start by helping you build the muscle memory you need to letter with confidence every single time. Because as they say, practice doesn't make perfect, it makes better. And better is exactly where the fun lives. Once you're comfortable with the basics, we'll explore letter forms and find the ones that speak to you. Then we'll design our own alphabets and learn ways to funk them up, so you have your very own library of lettering styles to bring any word, phrase, or quote to life. Imagine having the confidence to add your own unique lettering to any project, to feel that rush of joy every time your pen hits the page, and to know that your letters are just as they should be, perfectly imperfect, just like you. This course isn't just about learning hand lettering. It's about discovering a creative outlet that brings you a sense of peace, accomplishment, and belonging on the page. And to keep things interesting, I'm giving you 30 different exercises to apply your new lettering skills. Mostly in art journals, but we'll experiment with other surfaces too, because hey, your letters deserve to get out and see the world. Along the way, I'll share all my tips and tricks for arranging your letters on the page so they feel just right. After all, feeling good about what you've created is a big part of being a happy hand letterer. By the end of this course, after all 30 lessons, I know you'll be ready to add your own beautiful, imperfect letters to just about everything. You'll feel the calm, joy, and freedom that come from letting go of perfect and embracing your style. So if you're ready to fall in love with letters and make them your own, let's get started. This is your time to create something truly yours and to find a little more peace on the page.